Look, I say, real nigga, he ain't one. Fake nigga, I ain't one. Certified till I die. I do this for my block. Shots out insanity. Them street niggas demanding me. Solid how I gotta be. It ain't no pretending me. Land of them jaws, bitch. My drop them draws quick. 30 on my left wrist. Another 10 on the right, bitch. 4-0 to that 8. 5-1 to that O. It don't even matter though. I'm good everywhere nigga go. It's filthy, the young fly nigga. Strapped with the 4-5 nigga. Lot of kush up in my blunt, so I always stay high nigga. I do this for the homeboys. Yeah, I said the homeboys. Shots out to black and brown. Real niggas from East Town. I did time in Elmwood, so I fuck with San Ho. If you ain't from around here, don't fuck with San Ho. A guppy in that Shark Tank. Pull a trigger and don't think. 408, then raise no pussy. Fuck what you other niggas think.
We're coming to the top, to the top, to the top. We grinding. Can't stop, can't stop, can't stop. We riding for the black, for the black, for the black. We shining. Just watch, just watch, just watch.
We shine, we grind, and no you are not. I rise for my goons, and yes for the block. Good trees in my sweets, and it's clouding up my chest. You fake motherfuckers won't get my respect. They wanna lock me up for the shit that I say. Can your boy make a living? I mean, is it okay? I can hear the streets talking cause my city's real loud. Disturbing the peace cause the beat's like wow. Slapping through your hood, blowing bomb turf out. Hopping out the whip, better handcuff your spouse. Heavy's in the game, you might see me sliding through. Heavy's in the booth, and I hope you like the truth. It's real loud here, cause the hood stay lit. Your hoes stay choosing, I don't need that bitch. We climbing to the top, and yes, you are not. We turfing, we grinding, we just can't stop.
We coming to the top, to the top, to the top. We grinding. Can't stop, can't stop, can't stop. We riding for the black, for the black, for the black. We shining. Just watch, just watch, just watch.
Took a step outside, made a ride down the street. To the liquor store for a swish of sweet. Had to stop at the light when I see the police staring at me like a felony. Driving by the hood for somebody to arrest. Continue my way to get the blunt still fresh. Put the money on the counter with an 18 pack. Back to the pad to break down the sack. AK-47 with the raisin brand and I'm so damn high. So damn high, all the way to Beijing with slanted eyes. Winds blown back off the purple waves. Purple days, same as Jimi Hendrix in the purple haze. Living in the hood can make it hard to relax. Dealing with the cops every time that they pass. Discrimination every time they harass. Didn't hesitate when they made the decision to blow up the siren. Full of suspicion, they're telling me that I fit the description. Looking at them, who you trying to kid? The color of my skin was a crime I did. A reason to stop, didn't have one at all. Another 5-0 just abusing the law. Never satisfied till they make an arrest. Sending this to county or to prison at best. Really disappointed after running my name. Half an hour wasted, there was nothing to gain. Let me go free, give me back my ID. That's how it is in the SJC. Red and blue lights fade away my high. So leave me alone, goodbye, good try, motherfucker.
We coming to the top, to the top, to the top. We grinding. Can't stop, can't stop, can't stop. We riding for the black, for the black, for the black. We shining. Just watch, just watch, just watch. We coming to the top, to the top, to the top. We grinding. Can't stop, can't stop, can't stop. We riding for the black, for the black, for the black.